everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet these very beautiful and very cute snowman gloves. Make a slip knot. Make 20 chains. Measure chains around your wrist. Insert your hook into first chain. Yarn over. Pull through. And a slip stitch. Make a ring. Make a chain. Yarn over. Go to next chain. Bring yarn. Pull through. Pull through. Make a double crochet. Go to next chain. Pull through. Pull through. Make a double crochet. Go to next chain. Pull through. Pull through. Make one double crochet in each chain. Go to first chain, top of first stitch, a slip stitch, make a chain, yarn over, go to first stitch, make one double crochet, make one double crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, one chain, one double crochet in first stitch, one double crochet in each stitch. We have 20 stitches in each row. In this row, make one double crochet in each stitch. In last stitch, make a chain, make one chain, turn it, and start from here to a stitch. One double crochet in each stitch. Make a chain and turn it, one double crochet in each stitch. A stitch, one double crochet in last stitch, one chain, turn it. 1 double crochet in last stitch in the 1 2 3 4 after 4 row is row, go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, slip stitch, make a chain and repeat. Go to first stitch, change color, slip stitch, make a chain, hide these yarns under work, yarn over, go to first stitch, make a double crochet, make 1 double crochet in each stitch, slip stitch, make a slip knot, 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, slip 1 chain, go to next chain, make single crochet, go to next chain, make single crochet, go to next chain, yarn over, make 1 half crochet, half double crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, make 1 half double crochet, yarn over, go to next chain, make 1, go to this chain, make 2 double crochet,